Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, or you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you are looking to make yourself a latte, a cappuccino, espresso, etc. So this was sent over by a company called Tuni, and it is their E2 espresso machine. This thing is really, really sleek looking. So as you can see, it's right here on the counter next to me. It's got this nice little clean white look to it. Very small and compact, so it does not take up a lot of counter space. To give you an idea of the size of this thing, it's about 12¼ inches in height. It's about 5¾ inches in width, and it's about 11¾ inches in depth. Naturally, you're gonna get a user manual and even a quick start guide. It's pretty self-explanatory. We're gonna go over all the features and what you're gonna get in the video here. So first, let's go over what you're gonna get. You are gonna get a nice little kind of plastic here, a scoop, so that way you can scoop up your perfect amount of grinds. It also has a little tamper on it, but they do include a really nice stainless steel heavy tamper. This works a lot better. It's very comfortable to hold, and it works very, very well. Now you are going to get two types of filters that are stainless steel. You got the one on the device here on the portafilter, and then you got the other one here. So one holds about 12 to 13 grams. The other one holds 18 to 19 grams. So obviously you're going to use the larger one if you want to do 2 shots. You're going to use the smaller one if you want to just do 1 shot. So that's kind of the determining factor there. You can just, depending on how many shots you want, depends on what size. And then obviously the portafilter, it just goes in and folds over. Now you will notice it does have the 2 sides drip. So if you are doing 1 shot, just put a large cup there. If you're doing the 2 shots, you can go ahead and split the cups or put the little shot glasses, depending on however you make your own espressos. Now on the side, you do have a steam mechanism here that is fully flexible, so you can position it however you want. And it does come with 2 little wand heads. They just screw on and screw off. One basically has 1 steam hole, the other one has 2 steam holes. So once again, depending on how you want to froth your milk, if you want more steam, you can basically change out the head to whatever custom feature you want. That's kind of a nice thing about this, is it really gives you some little custom features. Now they also do include a stainless steel basically milk frother here, and it does have on the inside, it tells you how many ounces or milliliters, so that way you know exactly how much milk to go ahead and put in here. Once again, stainless steel, very easy to just throw in the sink and wash up when you are done. Now, as far as the device itself, you can see right here on the front, you're gonna have the power button, you're gonna have your coffee button. That's gonna go ahead and start the process. If you do wish to manually control it, there is the manual button, and then off to the right is where you can go ahead and select that steam function. Now, one of the cool things about this espresso machine is it has a dual boiler built into it. And basically what that does is it means you have no downtime. So it's heating up, obviously, the water for the espresso, but it's also heating up for the steam. So it's not like once you've gotten your espresso, you have to now wait for the wand to heat up for steaming your milk. You can just go from one to the next right away, which is really, really nice feature of it. It takes about 30 seconds to heat up. So it's really, really fast as far as heating up that mechanism. If you do wish, there is a kind of this little stainless steel look on the top. You can have room for 2 cups on here, and it will basically preheat the cups if you want to set them up here as an option for your choice. Now in the front, you're also going to notice there is a bar gauge. Once again, it is automated. So like if you just press the button, you will notice, because this is a 20 bar espresso machine. So you can actually see it working, and basically gives you a snapshot, just a nice little gauge here. It also makes it look cool. Now on the back side, it does have a removable water reservoir, which makes it super, super easy to clean. So you can just simply, the whole lid fully opens. You can take this off, put it in the sink, and easily clean it. This thing holds holds a total of 44 ounces. There is a max line and a min line, so it's very easy to add water. It's not like you have to try to pour it or anything like that. It's easily to remove, and once again, like I said, easy to clean. Now it does have built into this thing the OPV protection. So if you're not familiar with that, basically all that is helping with over extraction. It's basically making sure it's a nice even run when it's actually utilizing the espresso machine and doing the pressure and everything to get a nice smooth shot of espresso essentially. Now it does do multiple temperature options, so you can have a low, medium, or high as far as the temperature, and it is got an adjustable volume up to 220 millimeters. Once again, you can mess with all that with the controls on the front. And then obviously on the steamer, you have the nice bright red silicone, so that way it's easy to adjust when obviously it's nice and hot. But this is a 10 millimeter wand, so that way you have plenty of room to get in there and froth up your milk. Makes it super, super easy to utilize without having to be like get really close to it. Now the bottom part also has a nice removable, so it makes it super easy to clean. You got the little stainless steel front. You can remove the container here, and it even has a little kind of red dial. Pull that up and it'll drain out any fluids that fall in here. Once again, just makes cleanup super, super easy. There's multiple trays that you can remove. Also allows for taller cups, essentially. So if you do want to remove this and you need something that's taller, you have that option as well. And then the espresso machine has suction cups on the bottom, so it's not going to slide around on you very easily once it gets nice and suction cupped to your surface. So it's more a stable device. But overall, it's a great little espresso machine. Like I said, if you are in the market and you're looking for a great espresso machine, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.